Hi guys, welcome to our first in the series of garden basics. And when I say basics, I do mean basics, so if you're an experienced gardener, you may want to skip this part. Today we're starting with something pretty simple, but I get asked all the time at work. What's the difference between an annual and a perennial? The short answer is, an annual completes its life cycle in one growing season. That is, from seed, it has foliage, it has flowers, it sets seed, and then it dies in the winter. Perennials, on the other hand, come back every year, and though they may die back to the ground over the winter, they come back the following spring. Common examples of annuals would be marigolds, petunias, impatiens, and my favorite, purple fountain grass. And perennials could be hostas, echinacea, lilies, tulips, that sort of thing. Annuals provide a great punch of color in flower beds, hanging baskets, and containers, whereas perennials, being in the same location, add structure in the bones to your garden. Now here's where this gets interesting. That purple fountain grass that I mentioned, it's an annual here in Zone 5 outside of Chicago. But if you move further south to Zone 9 or 10, it becomes a perennial. Zone 9 or 10, don't worry, we'll get to USDA growing zones in the next video. So, I hope this clears things up. Annuals one season, perennials many seasons. If you like this content, subscribe, hit like, and we'll see you again next time.